Jai Hind. This is Rakesh Saw from PSC Academy. Today we are going to start a new subject, World Geography. In World Geography, first of all, we are going to discuss 7 continents and 5 oceans. The whole world is divided into 2 parts. First is known as land space and another is known as water space. The land space is further divided into 7 continents and the water space is further divided into 5 oceans. Here, first of all, we are going to discuss 7 continents of the world. Look at here. 7 continents. 7 continents. This is North America. This is North America. There are 23 countries in North America continents. This is Alaska, Canada. Alaska is a part of USA. Here, USA. And this is Mexico. This is North America. This is North America. North America. We are going to discuss 7 continents of the world. First continent is North America. North America is connected with South America. This is South America. Here is Panama country. Panama country, and this is South America continent. This is South America. This is South America continent. Okay. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. Above the Africa, here is above the Africa, here is Europe. This is Europe. The Russia is a country of Europe. This is Russia. This is the country of Europe. This whole space is Europe. This is Europe. Europe continent. Okay. Below the Europe, here is Africa continent. In between Europe and Africa continent, this is Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. We will discuss in next class. Mediterranean Sea. Here is, this is Asia. This is India, the country of Asia. This is Asia. Here is Sri Lanka, country of Asia. Okay. This is Asia. These are the countries of Asia. Okay. This is Indonesia, country of Asia. Here is Australia. This is Australia. And here is in the south pole of the earth. This land space is known as Antarctica continent. This is Antarctica continent. Antarctica continent. This is Antarctica continent. This is Asia. This is Asia continent. And this is Australia continent. This is Australia continent. Here we are going to discuss 7 continents of the world. North America, first North America, second North America, second South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents of the world. We are going to arrange In descending order, we are going to arrange the whole 7 continents in descending order by the land size or area size. Here we are going to arrange all these 7 continents in descending order by the area size. The largest continent in the world is Asia by the area size. The largest continent in the world by the area size is Asia. The second largest continent in the world is Africa by the area size. The third one is North America. The fourth one is South America. And the fifth one is Antarctica. The sixth one is Europe. And the smallest continent in the world by the area size is Australia. Area wise, the largest continent in the world is Asia. First is Asia, second is Africa, third is North America, fourth one South America, fifth one Antarctica, sixth one Europe, and the smallest continent in the world by the area size is Australia. Right now we are going to discuss 5 oceans. The water space in the world is further divided into 5 oceans. The whole world is divided into land space, that is 7 continents, and the water space, that is 5 oceans. 5 oceans. 5 oceans. Okay. Here, as we know that the earth is round or earth is a sphere, it means these 2 spaces, this space and this space, these 2 spaces are actually not far away. These are actually nearer. This space and this space. Actually, the earth is round or a sphere. It means these spaces are not far away. These spaces are nearer to each other. It means this is Russia. This is the country of Europe. This is Asia. Here is a Asian country, Japan. This is Japan. It means the Japan is like here. This is Russia. This is Russia, the country of Europe, and this is Asia. This is Asia. This is Japan, the country of Asia. This is Japan. This is Japan. Okay. This is the part of Indonesia. This is the part of Indonesia. This is the part of Australia. This is the part of Australia. Okay. In between North America, South America and the Russia, Asia, Australia, this water space is known as Pacific Ocean. This water space is known as Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean by size in the world. Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. Or we can say here is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. In between North America, South America and Russia, Asia, Japan, Australia, this water space is known as Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Okay, look at here. This water space in between Europe, Africa and North America, South America. North America, South America. This water space is known as Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Below the Asia continent and above the Australia continent. Below the Asia continent and above the Australia continent. In between Asia and Australia, this water space is known as Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean that has been named after a country name, that is India. Indian Ocean is the only ocean that has been named after a country name, that is India. India, Indian, and that is Indian Ocean. Okay, this is Indian Ocean. Look at here. This is Antarctica continent. Antarctica continent is situated in the south pole of the earth. The Antarctica continent is situated in the south pole of the earth. The Antarctica continent is surrounded by the water, and this water space is known as Southern Ocean. This is Southern Ocean, or we can say Antarctica Ocean. This is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean, but this is Antarctica continent. This is the land space, continent. The Antarctica continent is surrounded by the water. This water space is known as Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean because this ocean is situated in the south pole of the earth. That's why this is known as Southern Ocean. And this ocean is surrounding this ocean covers the Antarctica continent. That's why this is known as Antarctica Ocean, or we can say the Antarctica continent is surrounded by the water space or Southern Ocean. That's why its another name is Antarctica Ocean. Okay, look at here. This is the North Pole of the earth. In the North Pole of the earth, here is a water space. This is the water space. This water space is known as Northern Ocean. This is Northern Ocean or Arctic Ocean. The official name of Northern Ocean is Arctic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean or Northern Ocean, and this is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. Look at here. Right now we are going to arrange the whole 5 oceans in descending order by the area size. This is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world by size. Second is Atlantic Ocean. The second largest ocean in the world is Atlantic Ocean. The third largest ocean in the world is Indian Ocean. The fourth one is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean, and the fifth one is Northern Ocean or Arctic Ocean by size. The largest continent in the world is Asia. Second largest Africa. Third largest continent North America. Fourth largest South America. Fifth largest Antarctica. Sixth largest Europe. And the smallest one is Australia. In 5 oceans, first is Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Second is Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Fourth is Southern Ocean. And fifth is Northern Ocean. And its official name is Arctic Ocean. Further, the continent is divided into countries. In North America, there are 23 countries. There are 23 countries. In South America, there are 12 countries. In Australia, there are 14 countries. In Europe, there are 44 countries. In Africa, there are 54 countries. In Asia, there are 48 countries. And there is not a single country in the Antarctica Ocean. Humans do not live here. There are only research center of different countries. It means in Antarctica continent there is not a single countries. It means zero. It means zero. Okay. Here we have discussed 7 continents and 5 oceans. In next class we will discuss the 48 countries of Asia, 44 countries of Europe, 54 countries of Africa, 14 countries of Australia, 23 countries of North America, and 12 countries of South America. Here we have discussed 7 continents and 5 oceans. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.